Zanolli synthesis gas oven, or you're installing it. I'll show you now how to set the gas pressures. So it doesn't need a regulator because the regulator is internal on the machine. So turn it on. Make sure it's lighting. We hear the ignition and the flame will start, the temperature will start climbing. So we go over to the other side of the conveyor oven. Remove the screws on here. There's two here, and three down this side. If we look inside, you can see the flame, and here is our gas valve and regulator all in one. So you'll need a manometer for this and a screwdriver with a sturdy bit, because they have a habit of doing these up very tight. So that's pressure in, this is pressure out. So we're just going to find the flathead, crack it open, connect up our manometer, you can see the reading. So we're going to be reading the pressure out. There's this little plastic cover for the regulator. And we have two adjustments in here. This is a 10mm hex for the main flame. This is the low flame, which is just a flathead screwdriver. I've just got to get my 10mm spanner. So we turn our manometer on. It can be useful to have someone on the other side telling you whether the burner is in maximum or minimum. There are two flame settings. So my cohort will turn the temperature up a little bit. You'll press enter once. It shows the speed of the conveyor belt. Press it again and then it comes up with the time to adjust, the temperature to adjust. And you just hit the up down arrows, then press enter again, and you've changed the temperature. So this is on max now. It's on minimum now. So if we look at our specifications, on LPG, which is this unit, on max it's 2.75, and on minimum it is 0.9. Those doing natural gas, it's 1 kPa for max and 0.32 for minimum. So our burner's cut out again because the temperature rose. We'll just turn the temperature back up again. So we're on max, but I'm pretty sure this won't go up anymore. No, it's not going up anymore. So that is switched down to minimum. So now we can adjust the minimum to 0.9. That was easy. Then just wait and get your helper to turn the gas pressure up and make sure that the max value hasn't changed. So we've got ignition, that's at minimum. Can we turn it up a little bit more so we get a max value first? max? Can you turn the temperature up? Yeah, turn it up because it's close to. And there's our max value, 2.65, and for our installation, that'll be correct. There's a bit of drop in the hose and the pipe, so we're not going to get 2.75, but 2.67 or 2.69 is quite good enough. And that's how you set the gas pressure. Just make sure that you close the pressure out screw or you'll have a gas leak, and reinstall your cap, put your screws back and everything's fine. See if